We are going to see the sixth sum. Find the differential equation of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the y-axis. Okay, so for this given equation, first of all, I am going to write down the equation and the statement. Equation of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the y-axis. Okay, so we are just writing the equation of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the y-axis. So we are writing the equation as x square plus y minus k the whole square equal to k square, where 0, k is the center of the circle which lies on the y-axis and radius is k. Okay, so let this be equation 1. Now I am going to differentiate 1. So differentiate 1 with respect to x. So 2x plus, we are differentiating x, so no need to put the dx by dx. Then 2 into y minus k. So if you differentiate this term, y minus k means 1 minus 0 will come. So anyway 1 only, so no need to put. Then dy by dx. Then k square is the constant, so you put 0. Next you just take the 2 alone outside. So x plus y minus k dy by dx equal to 0. Then x plus y minus k, then dy by dx equal to 0 by 2. Then x plus y minus k dy by dx equal to 0. Next we need only this term is y minus k. So y minus k dy by dx equal to minus x. This is plus x, it goes to that side means minus x. Next is you just take this one dy by dx, then this minus x is there. So we have to take this minus x, this alone we have to take it this side. So how I can write it? That is dy by dx by minus x equal to y minus k. So that implies y minus k is equal to minus x by dy by dx. Okay, so let we have this equation as 2. Then what I am doing, I am just going to take the, again I am going to find out the value of k. So we know this value is y minus k is equal to minus x by dy by dx. So next this k alone I am just taking this side. So y and taking this term this side. So y by plus x by dy by dx equal to k. Okay, so let this be equation 3. Okay, now I am going to substitute this 2 and 3 in 1. So substituting 2 and 3 in 1. So if I substitute means what is the equation I will get? X square plus x by dy by dx the whole square equal to y plus x by dy by dx the whole square. Okay, so next this is minus is there. So minus if you square means it will come as plus only. And this is of the a plus b the whole square formula. So x square plus x by dy by dx the separately you put the whole square and this is the square. So next is this is y square. I am expanding y square plus x square by dy by dx the whole square plus 2 into y into x by dy by dx. I am just expanding using the formula. So next is x square plus x square by dy by dx the whole square equal to y square plus x square by dy by dx the whole square plus 2xy by dy by dx. Next this term and this term will get cancelled. Then what I have to do? Therefore x square equal to y square plus 2xy. Then if it is go to the numerator means dx by dy. So therefore it is the required equation.